Hauler M1 is a customized 5-axis CNC tool grinding machine produced by Suzhou Hauler. It is beautiful and space-saving. Natural granite body has good shock absorption and heat resistance ability. The unique structure design is in short travel for high processing efficiency. XY axis high precision linear motors equipped with full closed loop linear scale. Durably stable. Double-ended grinding spindle. Simply realize fast processing. Automatic fully directional internal measuring system for both workpiece and grinding wheel are efficient and accurate, ensuring the tool machining stability. The worldwide leading NUM control system. NUM Roto grinding software is easy to learn. Individualized control panel is visually simple. Apply to manufacturing and regrinding of standard cutting tools. High precision complex woodworking tools. Cement tools. Ceramic zirconium oxide tools. Medical, dental, and bone tools. Hauler M1 is designed upon customer demand through market research, instructed by German design company, perfectly showing German design, European quality, built in China.